Welcome back. Today's video is about Cognizant Recruitment 2021. If you want to read the details on your own, you can check the link which is provided in the description. Alternatively, you can also head over to Google and search for Cognizant Recruitment 2021 Freshers Now. Through our website, you will get the information plus the link to directly apply. All of this at one place in Freshers Now website. Don't forget to check it out. For regular job updates, join our Telegram channel through the link which is provided in the description. Telegram channel name is Freshers Now. Cognizant has opened its vacancy for graduate trainees. All of those who have graduated under these 3 consecutive graduated years from 2018 to 2021 batch also, you are eligible to apply. The application deadline is 30th of November 2021. The job function is customer or technical support, IT, and the CTC given per annum is 2,52,000. The next section is going to be about the job description, what you will be going to do in this. So you will be responsible for providing IT infrastructure support covering cloud, and also you will be working under products like Windows, MS Office and other business applications throughout the global customers. You will be also collaborating with 5.6 million users all across the globe in functioning of the business. You have to work in partnership with various business domains like banking, finance, insurance, communications, media, retail, healthcare, life sciences, technology, consulting, etc. You have to provide solutions on infrastructures on various applications, software installations, etc. And also be accountable for gathering the information through client conversation and engage in business interactions with end users and evaluate the critical needs of the user and enhance them with a solution with a proper satisfaction. Clarify the queries and work with business impact. Using high level of problem solving and critical thinking skills in order to be time bound tasks, industry standards, business hours, and also have to be working under rotational shifts in order to support the global customers. And delivery locations are all over India, and relocation will be based upon the business requirement. The candidate should also have good communication and also should be open to work in flexible shifts. The eligibility criteria is as follows. Candidate can have any 3 years graduation and 50% in your 10th, 12th, diploma, UG, and maximum gap is 2 years. Post graduation is not eligible. Now if you are willing to apply, you can just click here, apply now. Then it will be redirecting you to this particular space which they will be asking you your email. So once if you click your email, and then you have to click next, and then they will be asking you to register and apply. You have to click register and apply. It will be leading you to this particular page where they will be asking you right from the basic details. So as you can see the columns right here, they will be asking you the basic details, contact details, your education and work experience, and your photograph and documents, and finally you have to submit. Now even if you leave any one column empty and then save and next, they will be asking you like this required field. So it is very essential for you to complete every of the column which is mentioned here. Only then it will be leading you to the next stages. So like that you will be completing till all done, submit. And if you have further queries, do place them in the comment section. Subscribe, and thank you for watching.